to the gal farm. Anyway, me roll up gal swarm.
Yo, Miss Murph, how that Alvin and the Chipmunk? Me say them boy there one burner.
How them boy they talk to? You would not me tell you this. Even if you was a panty, you could you get more pussy than me.
Dog, when I hear this.
Every mother says they ban me. Every line is clean, every daddy say they hungry. Every daughter a cook and be sandy. Full of them a tell me sweet cotton candy.
Smurf, what do you get, boy?
Yeah, dog them attack.
You want to know if you know Smurf and Smurf in a bum.
Smurf from Rima, Smurf from jungle.
Me have girlfriend sweeter than wife. Me have one bag of girl in me life. Me know like razor sharper than knife. Me have one bag of girl in me life.
One girl on have.
Me have one bag of girl in me life.
One girl.
Dog, the whole of the bread smell like Smurfette. Pum pum.
That the things that me and Alvin, cause you know say nobody can smurf me like how you smurf me. You smurf me good.
What? We had the Alvin and Smurfette there too? Alvin, when you go stop give me bun?
You can't stay there, Alvin and my man long time. Girl, go ahead.
Stop going like a year man. You know that you're just a one night.
Really now?
In my night plan, a lifetime stand. In fuck you, but you love me. Mispretend to be my future guarantee.
You think I know more and get rid of him? Go ahead, you can't take him.
Amen. Get the boy out of my life. Amen. Brand new money in my bed tonight.
Hey Smurf, leg off a minute, man. I mean, you want conky blue balls? I mean, blue Smurf.
All crosses.
Alvin, you see you make this girl come style me? Easy, Britney, easy. No box him, no box him. Baby, me sorry, boys, from now. When I'm in need of loving, I will turn to you, only you. You need to stop giving them piss and tail girl your number. Baby, no longer I look for you. Come save me, and I've been missing you blue like crazy. You just come back and make my heart suffer. One night it was sending off, fuck nothing since lately. My friend them like the first time I pussy whip. You pussy whip me like slavery, baby. I miss you for. Alvin, me tired of it. And you not stop give me bun, you go chop out a little chipmunk penis and bring it to work with me. My penis? Yes, your penis.